Okay, we're going into a Palomino Sabre, model number 36QBOK, Platinum Edition. This is really an intense, very nice coach. Coming in, we have hard surface. That feels like a real stone. That's a polished real stone right there. That is very nice. Beautiful colors in here. We've got a contrast of brown and gray. This looks very expensive. We have your couch, your dinette that folds down into a bed. So you got 2, 4. You can sleep 2 up in the king size bed up in the front, and then you have bunks in the back. The wallpaper is beautiful. The roof has a design in it, which is very nice. Looks like duct AC, 2 air conditionings, ceiling fan. We've got a microwave, wow, this is a nice glass piece right here. Look at this. This is nice. How do I get this up? Okay. There's your glass cover for your propane stove and oven. And there's your refrigerator. Beautiful woodwork. Beautiful pantry. Nice vinyl tile matching the carpet. This is well done. Oh, fireplace. 32-inch TV. Surround sound. LED lighting. All right, let's go in the back here. This is very cool. You've got a bunk house back here. So you've got your wardrobe closet for the kids. You can have a TV. There's only one TV in the unit. There's 2 kids can sleep over here. 1 kid over here. And then on the outside, when I do another video, there's a full kitchen outside. And then you have the second bathroom here. So the kids can use the bathroom and come and go out this way. And you can close this door. Look at the door too. It's a beautiful door. You close the door, and the grown-ups can be in here. And then going up into the 5th wheel area. Oh, it also has central vacuuming. And then one of the pictures I have there has a picture of there's a table that goes in the back there, which it has underneath the storage. So up here you have your own private bath for the husband and wife, and you'll never find one of those showers like that. That is awesome. Awesome. King size bed on top of that with an incredible amount of space and a second AC up here and duct AC. Wow. Okay, that's of the inside, and then I'll do the outside.